Another Landmark Plus.
Kinsley.
I hate these things, but like cool. I'm filming it. I like Landmark. Oh hey, it's one of those CFL incandescent combo things.
I can't reach it yet.
I can reach it.
Let me get up.
Oh hey, I can show all 3 speeds on this.
Hey, you reached it. I can't do anything.
Show all 3 speeds for this one. It's Hunter Pavilion in my friend's room.
Natalie, I'm hitting the gritty in your bedroom.
You can't see it with the light off.
I'm doing the gritty.
Buzz, 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 buzz. That's what these things are known for, though.
Julian,
What?
I'm hitting the gritty.
I'm filming real quick.
Oh, Dad.
Wobbly slightly.
No.
It's got a slight wobble.
Oh, I'm gonna round it.
Shaky, shaky.